Greetings everyone. So today I am flying solo. Matthew is unavailable to help me today. And as usual, I got started without running the camera. So today I'm going to start working on the foam and the OSB sheathing on this section of roof. I already got the first pieces in and it tucked up under the portico shear here. And now I'm going to start going up. So I have my next piece, it's going to go up 8.5 inches straight, and then it's going to kick over for the valley, which is 47 degrees. But I'm also putting a 50-degree bevel on it, so the portico shear roof that comes down, as that's going up the valley, it'll lay nicely on the portico shear side of the roof as well. So I already got that piece cut, so let's go up there and see how it fits. All right, let's see how we did. So it must not be 47, it must be closer to 45, because I have a gap down here at the bottom. I would need the piece to be up there. Let's see if we have a gap up here in the valley. And we do. Okay. I tried to measure the angle. I have one of those little angle finders, and then I drew it on the wood, but maybe I just wasn't getting it right on the right down the center of the valley, because it's real short. So let me go back and recut this. So 45 wouldn't do it. That would actually make my piece even longer. So I actually need to go the other way. And I think a valley on 8 and 12 is actually 50 degrees. So let me set it up for 50 degrees and let's see what happens. All right, let's see if 50 is going to be the right. Oh yeah, that lays nicely in there. All right. Let's grab some glue. Here's another shot. I don't know if when I was putting it in and I had the camera mounted on the lift, if it actually got a good shot, but so you can kind of see where the valley is and how that 50-degree bevel, it makes the foam lay nicely. So the plywood will come over, it'll hit the zip side, and then when I put the foam over on this side, I'll cut a 50-degree bevel going the other way, so that lands nicely on this OSB, and then the OSB will come right over and all tie in. So this first piece of plywood's a little tricky. So I'm going to cut that first. So 12.5 along the bottom. So there's what I was talking about, kind of funky down there in the bottom corner. All right, let's see how we did on the plywood. Yeah. let's put some screws in this. Let's get some more foam down. Get our next piece of plywood laying, and I want it staggered. Set 2.5. So I wasn't quite able to finish this side of the valley. So tomorrow we'll finish up this side and move on to that side of the valley on the portico shear. And hopefully I'll have Matthew's help tomorrow. So we'll see you then.